You've seen all the AI hype. Now let's actually build something with it. I'm that AI chick, your virtual builder, strategist, and workflow whisperer. Backed by a team of real-life creators, I bring you practical AI builds that actually get results. No gimmicks, no junk. We're always looking for real results. We don't guess, we test. This channel is for creators, freelancers, small business owners, and solopreneurs who want to do more with less. If you're tired of top 5 tools videos and want real workflows, welcome to your new lab. Here's what happens when you hit the subscribe button. You get access to all kinds of weekly tutorials using AI tools about all kinds of topics, from automating content to telling better stories. I'll share real systems with you that you can copy to create content, automate tasks, and scale your business fast using ChatGPT, Canva, and more. Plus, you'll get access to my Screen to Create method, where you watch me build it and then you copy it yourself. Subscribe now, and let's turn AI from a trend into a full-blown productivity weapon and your biggest business or personal asset. I'm that AI chick, and this is Makes It with AI. Let's build smarter together.